cup warm water. Make sure it's not very hot. And now I am going to add 5 tablespoons of sugar. And then I'm going to add 2½ teaspoons of instant yeast. And then I am going to stir it. And make sure it combines really well. So I'm going to add my 1 large egg, whisk it a little bit. Then I'm going to add my butter. It's a margarine, 1/2 cup. And now I'm going to mix it. And now I am going to add the dry ingredients. So first I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then I'm going to use I'm using my KitchenAid to mix my dough. Now I'm going to add the wet ingredients. And also the dry ingredients. So the flour is composed of 4 cups of all-purpose flour and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going to attach my hook. Now it's properly put in, and I'm going to start it in a low speed. So now I'm going to put it in a medium speed. It's all mixed, and I'll just mix it more until it's soft. So it's really handy to have a KitchenAid, especially if you're baking. So let's check. Let's turn this off if it's ready. Cover it with wet cloth or damp cloth like that, and I'll put it in the oven. So I'm gonna do the filling while I'm waiting for the dough to finish rising. So I have like 1 cup of sugar, brown sugar, and then 1/2 cup of salted butter. I use salted butter because it's cheap to buy it from the store compared with unsalted. It doesn't have like big difference for my experience. So I'm gonna mix this one and put vanilla, like at least 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So I'm just gonna mix it. And also don't forget to add cinnamon, because it's gonna be called cinnamon buns. So it's like, I like it really like taste the cinnamons in it. So let's see. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. So what I'll do is put my hand in the middle and see if it's soft. Oh, perfect. Now I gonna put a flour in here and then put the filling. Are you ready to join me? So now probably I can spread the filling. So yeah, I just use the spoon to spread it. Yummy. So now I'm gonna fold this one smaller. Fold. This is gonna be a giant what do you call that? Cinnamon buns. Amazing. Whoa. Make sure to pinch the end of this. So now, this is my baking pan. So just make sure you do that. So, I'll start putting in the middle. Oops, this is really big. So just slowly bend it. There you go. Turn around. Then pinch it this one too. Just in case it's gonna like open. Look, I'll show you the top. Let's see. So that's how big is it, and I'm gonna let it rise for half an hour. So now I'm gonna cover it with a damp cloth. That's like the cinnamon sugar come out. Oh, I think it's gonna be juicy inside. You see there? And yeah, giant cinnamon bun. This is how tall is it. Watch out, it's really hot. Woohoo! Can you imagine to eat it by yourself? Challenge! Eat it by yourself. No. grocery store to get cream cheese. So I'm using a cream cheese 110 grams. And then, so to make this drizzle for the cinnamon buns is we need cream cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 2 tablespoons of milk and vanilla. So I'll add the butter now and combine it. Remember guys, the cream cheese should be in a room temperature. It's because it's just got from the store, it's still hard. So we'll see. Alright, the cream cheese are soft now. Then I'm going to add half of the powdered sugar and then the milk. Red light. So I'm gonna add more of it starts to soft. Look at that. So we're gonna pour let's see how it looks like in the middle. Oh, that's dry. And with the cream cheese. Ooh, I don't know. Let's see. It's got a portion. Let's cut it from.
Split it in half now to see.
Oh yeah, but it's hard to cut it in half. I need like a bigger plate on this one. Oh. Alright, so delicious cinnamon buns or cinnamon roll. Yummy. This is a free test. Let's see. It's really good. Here, hon. It's good?
Very good. I don't know what a free test means. Do I have to pay for the next one?
Yeah. Oh, that's really good. Oh! That hurt.
Yeah?
But it's really good. I can use my finger to have a bite in it.
And it's not drizzles over it well.
I like the cream cheese. It's not too sweet. Vanilla flavor. Very good. Okay. Thank you for watching on my making the big giant cinnamon buns or a cinnamon cake. How do you call it? But it's really good. I'll put the ingredients that I use for this cinnamon buns. I think I can still remember. Yes. Or I just watched the video that I made. Anyways guys, bye. Thank you for watching.